friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel and consider subscribing before you leave. Today we're going to be talking about casual wear and in particular the HybridGear clothing. They were kind enough to reach out and ask me if I would be interested to try them out and see what I think about it. If you never heard of HybridGear, they are clothing line that is designed for everyone who's looking for stylish, comfortable and casual wear that is dedicated for everyday wear to like going to the gym and stuff like that. So if you're looking to get comfortable, stylish, then check them out. They also do clothing as for ladies as for men. Another fun aspect of this company, they do customized clothing as well. So if you have a logo or a slogan that you want to use and add to your t-shirts, they can do that for you as well. Also, another factor that actually intrigued me and wanted me to try their stuff was their moisture wicking technology. In sunny Florida in the middle of the day is pretty hot, so while filming I was sweating balls, yet you couldn't tell. So if you want to see actual footage, keep on watching. And they were generous enough to run a promotion, and no, I'm not gaining any commission off of it, so it's just looking out for you, my babes. For those of you who are interested to get yourself a pair, or maybe 2 or maybe 5, use code PADORA for the BOGO and the link down below that I will have it in the description box. I do have to mention also that their slogan is adapt to life, to which I'm going to quote, they strive to provide comfortable yet stylish clothing that fits daily changing circumstances that influence health and happiness. So adapt to life. All right, without further ado and much rambling, let's get into it. So the first t-shirt that they sent me is this moisture wicking sleeveless v-neck t-shirt in this beautiful blue. It's absolutely lightweight. I couldn't even feel it on me. It's that lightweight and it feels so good. It's 100% polyester interlock, so and it weighs 3.8 ounces. It's tag free, a label for comfort, and I appreciate it that much because a lot of times those labels are very itchy in the back and I hate that. So that is an amazing point for these t-shirts. The next t-shirt is this black long sleeve hoodie t-shirt. It's a perfect combination for those cool days or nights. A ladies lightweight ring spun cotton t-shirt with a hoodie. It does feel like cotton, is very lightweight. It was super hot outside. I had no problem wearing it and I didn't feel like I'm gonna suffocate. It's very, very light and I loved it. Again, it has no tags in the back, which feels very comfortable. It's 4.3 ounces, 100% combed ring spun cotton. It's 65 by 35 poly cotton heathers. It's a semi-fitted silhouette with side seam. Also has their slogan on the side. And the third and my absolutely favorite one is the HybridGear ladies lightweight moisture wicking quarter zip pull over. I am in love with this one. It's super lightweight and locks in color and wicks moisture away. It's versatile enough for year-round wear. It weighs 3.8 ounces. It's so lightweight you hardly feel it on your body. 100% polyester interlock. It feels very soft on your body. It's definitely my favorite out of all 3 of them, although all of them are amazing. It has cadet collar, reverse quill zipper, princess seam, satin sleeve, open cuffs and a hem, and also has the slogan on this side. And these are 3 t-shirts that I got my hands on and I am in love with all of them. Which one was your favorite? Comment down below and let me know. Let me know also if you like videos like that, and I tried to make it as informative as I possibly could without boring you to death. Let me know if you have another brand in mind that you'd like me to review. And this is it. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.